Hi friends, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these decorative bells out of just paper cups. Are you ready? Let's get started. I am super excited to show you this. I hope you guys like this because I sure did. The supplies you're gonna need is chopsticks, wood dowel, or just some twigs from your yard is fine too, floor wire, paper cups, twine, rope, and spray paints of your choice, a Sharpie or a screwdriver head, hot glue, and glue gun. We're going to start out by poking 2 holes at the end of the cup. You can use either safety pins or a needle. I couldn't find a safety pin, so I used a needle. It worked just fine. Next, use either a Sharpie or a screwdriver head, anything that's blunt, to push out the bottom of the cup. You want to do it slowly and gently because it might rip, but with a little bit of force, it should pop out just fine without ripping, like so. Next, we're going to uncurl this part right here. Depends on your preference. If you want small or big bells, you're going to fold down the part we just uncurled for smaller bells, okay? If you want to have a longer one, you don't have to flan this part out. Flan it as much as you can. I'm going to make mine different sizes. Then you're going to go around the cup and wrinkle it a bit for a more realistic look after we paint it. Imperfection looks even better in the end result, so wrinkle that cup up as much as you can. And then we're going to measure the twigs or the chopstick about the same length as the cup, and we're going to use this as the clapper. And then you're going to wrap the floor wire around the chopsticks, okay? Cut it a little bit longer than the size of the chopstick. Make sure it's tight and secure. Now you're going to loop it through the 2 small holes we made in the cup from the inside, like so. If the clapper seems long, just twist the chopstick around the floor wire and it should shorten it. Now let's make a ring so we could loop the rope to hang the bell. Cut a piece from another cup and wrap it around your finger. You don't need it bigger than that. So, yep, just like that. And then we're going to hot glue it on top of the cup, okay? Okay, so you see the edges right there. We're going to put some hot glue all around the edge to go for a welded look, to make it look like it was welded together. Okay, and then we're gonna wait for it to dry like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and it should be dry. Once it's dry, it's time to spray paint. I'm going to spray paint it with dark copper metallic first. I'm doing 2 coats. Let that dry completely and then spray the rose gold into a tray or a cup, and then wrinkle up some paper towel, and we're going to dab the rose gold all over the bell, okay? Okay, now everything is dry. Now it's time to hang the bells. You could have any length of ropes you want. I am going to make mine some shorter and some longer for a better effect. You can attach them like 3 per batch, or 4 or 5. In this video I made 2 batches. I made one that has 4 of them and then one that has 5 of them, and I completely love the look. Oh my gosh, I could not say enough about these bells. I mean, it looks amazing. Even my kids, my 7-year-olds and my 10-year-olds were amazed. I love these bells so much, and I was going to spend some money on them, but I'm glad that I found a way to make it my own, and I appreciate it even more now. It looks so good. It could go on its own or it could go on a wreath. It's completely up to you guys. And this is the bells we made. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this inspired you to make these. If you make these, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your DIYs and your creations, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.